Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert Facebook account to Facebook page. First of all, after you open up your phone, all you have to do, go and open your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, tap on your profile at the top right side. After you open up your Facebook profile, so tap on this profile icon again. So in order for you to convert your Facebook account to Facebook page, all you have to do now, as you can see now, I have 196 friends, as you can see now. Now I have 196 friends. So if I convert my Facebook account to Facebook page, it will show you followers, not friends. So let's go and do it. All you have to do now, tap on this three dot, this one. So scroll all the way to down and tap on this section which says turn on professional mode. After you select this professional mode, all you have to do now, tap on this turn on option. So as you can see now, I converted my Facebook account to Facebook page. All you have to do now, tap on this back arrow. So as you can see now it gives you followers instead of seeing friends in this session. As you can see now it turns to followers. As you can see now, I have 196 followers instead of showing you friends. As you can see now, I'm following 42 people on Instagram. That's it guys on how to convert Facebook account to Facebook page. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.